Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the login page with protection. If the user logged in, then it is going to show the dashboard. Otherwise, it should not allow the dashboard to show. Uh, in that case, if the user is not logged in, it has to go to the home page. If the user is logged in, then it will show the dashboard. Otherwise, if the user is not logged in, then it is going to show the home page. That means we are giving some protection route. How it is we are going to implement that, we'll look into this. What are the things we are going to use in this? In this we are going to use that navigate component to navigate to the home page, and some other things are there. Let's look and learn those also in this video. First of all, app.js contains header page and app router. Before that, in the header page means this part. This entire part is header page. Already some links are there. Let's add one more link in the header page. Let's go to the header page here. Yeah, and like other links, we are going to create one more link, that is login link. Control C, just copy paste that one. Control V, and just we'll remove this and add the login link. And here also we should follow that login link. After this one, let's verify in the header page whether it is login is showing or not. Yeah, login is showing. So that particular part, when you click on login, it has to go to that, right? In this, when you click on this login, it has to go to the login page. Where is the login page? Let's create login page. REACTJS. Let's create login page. And where is the header component? It is the header component. When you click on login, it has to go to login. Here the routing, this page has to display in the router, so we need to copy this. Control C and Control V, press enter, and we need to modify that for that login, and we need to import that login.js is there now. So we need to change this login, and here also we need to do that login. Why it is not importing login? Yes, it is login already sending. So Control C, manually will import this one, import. Control V from within double quotes // pages / what we have here, login, this one. Yes, when you click on this login page, it has to show that login. Yes, it is showing, no problem. Then let's create one user here, state variable const within this us here, user comma set user is equals to use state. Just import that. Yeah, imported use state, already it is there. Then just copy this, Control X, and move it to here, Control V. Both the things are not required. Control C, let's use that here, Control V, comma, above that one we can remove. That's it. Then we need to pass this set user to change. If you want to change that, Control C, that we can pass to here as a prop. Control V equals to, within curly brackets, Control V, set user we need to pass. Header also completed. Yes, when you click on this login, it will go to the login page. It is available in app router. It is going to show on the browser. So here we are passing set user. Go to the login and get it that here set user as a prop. Then let's decorate with this some login page we'll create here. Const, let's take that user input inp comma set user inp, let's take use state variable that was imported already here. Otherwise we can do like this also. Then let's go for this here, let's use this. Within this we'll go for that class name, it should be row, and same thing here, Control V, it should be in brackets, that's why it is giving the warnings. Then move down, Alt Shift F. Then here it's not a row, it's a column, col column -4, and within this let's create that is input box. Meanwhile label also will create label label. So label is that input user inp you can use, and just give that user name user, and after this input colon text, then we'll use that user inp id, also same thing user inp, and value also we'll take that value is that user inp. And one more thing is that on change we should use that Alt Shift F here, it's not taking, then we'll move that to here on change we can use that directly, set user, it becomes, then we'll use that arrow function. Within this what we are going to give e dot target dot value, e dot, that means event dot target dot value, Alt Shift F, yeah, it is now correct. Then it is going to show that it is going to take the value. Then after this one let's create one button, login button here, that is one more thing, div will take, Control V, will manipulate this, Control X, and it should be a button. What we have here, it should be a button, button button, and here also we need to close that button. Button name is login. Login, that's it. Then here text is not required, name is not required, id is not required, value also not required. Here on click we must use, on click, on click. Let's go for that by creating a method. What is that method? Is handle login. Outside we'll write down the definition for this. Const Control V equals to, we'll use that arrow function here, e dot, let's see, take that event here, event dot prevent default, default, default. After this one, let's take this set this user INP, control C. If what happened, if control V, that means user input is not available, then return null. What we are going to return, retu, return nothing. Otherwise set user input, it becomes now what we have, event dot target, not event dot target, user input already available, the user INP available, and set user INP should be double quotes empty, and here is set user is that this one, set user, not the INP. Set user is going to update, and after this one it is going to set user INP is going to clear. So that means here it just will check this whether it is working or not. Here it is not a good way to show that. Let's give some kind of class name here, class class name, form hyphen control, control. Same thing for button also, we should give control X, then we'll see it's good. And let's give some margin top, it becomes 4, and then only it is going to be parallel, it shows. Let's give value something and click on login. After clicking the login button, what it is going to show, it is going to show the value will pass to the app router. Here this user is going to handle that and give it to the one more, that is dashboard, REACTJS. When you click on this, let's take that user here. Once if you just copy this, control C control V, it should be a dashboard, DASHBOARD, dashboard. Here we must pass the user, it should be a dashboard, dashboard. Then when we click on this login button, it has to go to the dashboard. Click this, it is not moving to anywhere, we need to pass it to the dashboard. How we can pass to the dashboard? This dashboard we need to call in the login. Where we can call this? Here. For that we need to create one const navigate equals to, will take the use navigate hook. So here when you click this login button, it has to move to the dashboard. So navigate, I think it's after this one we can move, navigate to, in double quotes, use that dashboard. Where is the dashboard? This is the dashboard. Copy this and put it here. That's it. Then how it is going or not, we'll check it. Batula, and click on login. It's not going to that. Just refresh it once again and give the value and click on login button. What is going on? When you click on login button, it's not going to dashboard. Why it is not going dashboard? Let's verify. Navigate to dashboard. Where is that? it will come to dashboard. Dashboard contains dashboard. Here we are passing the user, so it has to show this username here, comma, in double quotes, us here, user. First of all, when you type something, it has to come to here. After that, it will handle by this handle login. What we have in handle login, it is getting not user input. This is a not user input. Then return. If the value is available, then it will go to user inp. Set user inp. Okay. This is the user, set user. It in this set inp you are passing, clearing, then going to nav dashboard. Yeah, we have to get this value to this control C, control V, then it will work. Click on this, refresh this one, just take the value, again refresh this, then take the value. Why it is not taking this? A component changing uncontrolled input be controlled. So what we need to do here, just user input, set user input, e dot target dot value. So user input, okay, that is fine. Then where is that? Set user is there. Set user, we are passing that user input, that's fine. Set user input, it becomes empty, that is okay. So we need to do this here, undefined, it becomes empty, then it will work fine. Just go to this home page and go to login page, type something here, then click on login. It is going to dashboard and showing the username. So sometimes maybe if you click on this dashboard, what is happening, it is going to dashboard only without user. So in this scenario, if you type something here like dashboard, something here, dashboard, so we need to protect this dashboard. When the user logged in, then only it has to show the dashboard. Until unless there is no user, it should not go to the dashboard. That's why we should do some protected route here, REACTJS, and let's take that one more. Where is that app router? Here, coming to here, control C, control V, and what we are going to do here, we'll use that protected route. How we are going to manage protected route here? Let's take this dashboard, not the dashboard, a protected route. This is a protected route. Let's take this, otherwise control X, here only we do that. Keep it that outside, this one also, this one, and here let's use that component protected route. Close this, then in between that we need to pass this, and the two we have to handle that user equals to user. We are passing this, Alt Shift F. What is going to happen? No, when you click on this login button, it has to go to dashboard. Before going to dashboard, here we have written one component, that is protected route. In this, what we are going to check now, if the user is there, then it will go to dashboard. If the user is not available, it has to go to the home page. That we will create here. Just we'll go through this. Just that is that if not user, we need to import get the props here, user. If the not user here, if there is no user, then what we need to do, return TURN, return navigate, we can use that now, navigate component, navigate react component, close this, navigate to 2 equals to, then double quotes, we can move this to home page, the not user. If the user is there, then we can return this the children. Just to focus on this children, children, children. Here we need to pass that children, children, children. All shifted. The meaning is that if the user is there, if the user is not available, that means app router. If the user is not available, then it will not go to dashboard. That means if the user is not there, then it will go to the home page. Otherwise children, it will go to children. Children means here, this is the children part. Children part means protected router is a component. It is a prop. That prop we already checked that whether it is user or not there. If the user is not there, it will go to the home page. If the user is there, it will go to children. Where is the children here? Children means for this protected component, the dashboard is the children. For this protected route, dashboard is the children. That's why it will go to the dashboard. That means user is present, then only it will go to the dashboard. That is the condition we have written in here. Protected route contains user we have taken as a prop, children also we have taken. Children means this one, children means this part, line number 42 and 44. In between that 43, line number 43 is the children right now. So if the user not present, go to the home page. If the user is present, go to the children. Children means it will go to the dashboard. That's the internal meaning of that one. Let's verify this. Refresh it and click on login. Let's take this Batula and click on that login. It will go to this dashboard. In case if you click on this dashboard directly, what is going here? Just remove this without user. If you apply dashboard something, click on that, it is opening only home page again. It is opening in the home page again only. So whenever the login user is available, just click on login, then only it will go to the dashboard. If the user is not there, then it will go to the, click on this, immediately it will go to the home page. That is the internal meaning of this protected route. It's very useful while you are writing the code in the project scenario. It's very useful thing. User is present, then only it will go to dashboard, otherwise it will not show the dashboard. That is the internal meaning. So some people, they may check this dashboard directly, they will try to go to the dashboard. What will happen? Without using without user login, even if you try at the URL level, it will go to the home page only, not the user login page. When the user is present, then only it will go to the dashboard. Dashboard is that is a no one can touch this without login. Confidential area. So confidential area, we can't touch it. Even if you type here in the URL part dashboard, it will not take you to go to the dashboard. If the user present, then only it will go to the dashboard. That's it. With this, we have covered this protected route also. In this, we have used navigate component and remaining as usually we know already. What we have used here, now use navigate hook we have used here. These are the new things we have learned in this video. Okay, that's it friends. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.